guys, welcome to IoT Starters. In this tutorial we will learn how to connect an OLED display and a LCD display with Raspberry Pi PICO. With this Raspberry Pi PICO we have connected one DS18B20 temperature sensor which is collecting the temperature measurements, and it is being displayed in this LCD display along with the OLED display. The temperature is displayed in degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit in both the units and in both the displays. So how this entire thing will work, we'll see, and let's proceed to the project. For building this project we need a Raspberry Pi PICO, LCD 16x2 LCD display, LCD I2C converter module. This is 0.96 inches OLED display. This is 128x64-bit OLED display, and this is a SPI module. It has got SPI interface. As you can see, it has got 6 pins on top, a breadboard and some jumper cables. We have this Python code over here which requires 3 modules, one for the OLED display, one for I2C LCD connectivity, and one for LCD display. And this is the actual program for PICO for DS18B20 temperature sensor, which will collect the data and display it in LCD as well as in OLED display. So in the first part of the code we are importing all the libraries over here. As you can see, different libraries which are needed are imported here, and here we are configuring the SPI configuration for the OLED display, and here the I2C configuration for the LCD. Then we are displaying some data in LCD. Then we are configuring the GPIO for one wire or DS18B20 sensor, which is connected by a one wire method. And then we have the devices which is scanning the one wire devices, and here we have a condition. As you can see, when the things are true, then only it will execute over here. Here it is converting the temperature. It will be printing the temperature both in degree centigrade and degree Fahrenheit in this Python Thorny module. And below is the code. This entire code for LCD and OLED, which will display the data respectively in LCD as well as in the OLED. The entire code is very simple. If you put all these things together, upload the code in Raspberry Pi PICO, once you execute, it will start working.